Now that you have the software downloaded, we will go through the interface. Up at the top here is your program menus. Over here on the left is your tool menu bar. Right here is your tool menu, or your tool menu options. So if you change your tool, these are going to change accordingly to the different things you can do with that tool. Over here is your tool palette options menu. If yours isn't showing up, there's 3 little dots right here. Just click that, it'll pull open. Or you can grab the screen and drag it open. The options that I have selected here for mine are document properties, trace bitmap, text font, align and distribute, export, fill and stroke. The way to, I use these all the time. The way you get these to show up or not show up is right here. Click this little arrow and you can select and deselect these to show which ones you want. The document properties are down here, the rest of them are up in this area. And you can put this here as to make your workspace as comfortable for you. The down here along the bottom is the color palette. I just use a handful of solid colors. Over here on the bottom right, you can zoom in and zoom out of your project. This will rotate your project. Your mouse scroll wheel will allow you to go up and down on your project. This you can go side to side. Another way to do this is to hold your mouse scroll wheel button down and you can drag your project wherever you want it to go. Another way to zoom in and out is on your number palette key. You can just hit the minus button to zoom out, the plus button to zoom in. That's about it for the Inkscape interface here. Once you feel comfortable with where everything is at, let's move on to the next videos and we will go through each one of these individual tools. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, leave us a comment below with suggestions or things you want to learn about. Hit the subscribe button for upcoming videos. Thanks.